Hi guys, good morning. It's harvest time. Mag-harvest tayo ng bell peppers. Yung bell peppers guys. Napaka red. Napaka red ng bell peppers. Yan, harvest naman tayo ulit. Ang ganda ng kulay ng bell peppers. Pulang-pula. Magsigang kami today guys. So, ito yung ilalagay namin sa sigang. Kaitan, bell pepper, pampaba.